today we have Year 5 Titans, so it should be a good one. But we're going to start our assembly in the usual way with a little bit of 1-minute meditation. And Andras and Minha are going to lead us.
You have 3 balloons, one here, and one here. If you burn them, the balloons get bigger. If you burn down, the balloons get smaller. Let's try this 3 times. The 1-minute meditation has started. The 1-minute meditation has ended.
Stand up, 2 steps forward.
Do you need the microphone?
Guys, stand up, 2 steps forward, big steps.
Hello, and welcome to the Year 5 Titans Assembly. And today we are going to talk about 4 natural disasters.
Some whirly wind tornadoes.
Some shaking earthquakes. But don't worry, it's not all doom and gloom. We have 4 fun groups to tell you what our planet can do.
Let's head off to Japan to learn about some earthquakes. Earthquakes are usually caused when the underground rock suddenly breaks and there's rapid motion along the fault. Basically, the tectonic plates decided they need a little more room.
A tectonic plate is a huge piece of Earth's surface that moves slowly, and when they bump into each other, they cause volcanoes, earthquakes, or tsunamis.
So how do you survive it?
If you're on one of these fault lines, it's best to be prepared with a go bag. You will need emergency food, water, flashlight, clothes, whistle, battery, first aid kit, and warm clothes.
If you're inside, you'll stay under a table to survive or eat alone. If you're outside, then please try to stay as far from any kind of buildings. And if you're in a bed, then roll over and pillow.
If you are outside, do not stand close to a window or an out front door. Do not go over buildings, trees, and overpasses. You don't need this amazing earthquake place. Put your thumb up if you think it's true, and put your thumb down if you think it's false.
There are above 25 earthquakes and over each day.
That's false. There are actually 35. The earthquakes on Mars are called Marsquakes. That's true. The earliest recorded evidence of the earthquake has been tracked back to the 1831 BC in China. That's true. The place where the earthquake starts is called the hypocenter. That's true. The epicenter is the point above the surface, above the hypocenter.
Thanks, guys. Now for some whirlwinds, tornadoes.
Welcome to Florida, where it's rare to see a crocodile, but common to see an alligator. Home to Disney World, the Kennedy Space Center, and approximately 11 tornadoes each year.
Wow, and how do they happen?
They can happen because inside thunderclouds, warm humid air rises while cool air falls along with rain or hail. This would usually cause a storm. But for a tornado, you add in an extra ingredient. First, hot and dry wind was moved in two different directions at two different speeds. Eventually landing on the ground was makes a tornado.
But how do we survive it?
You can survive if you, number 1, avoid areas with many trees. Number 2, avoid vehicles. Number 3, go to a room with 0 windows. Number 4, lay down flat on the ground. Number 4, protect your head with any object, but if there's no object nearby, your arms work as well.
Fun fact, in the northern hemisphere, a tornado turns counterclockwise, but in the southern hemisphere, it turns clockwise.
No need to storm off below. Tornadoes don't happen in Hungary.
Nice to know. Let's turn up the heat and cool off to Hawaii for our next natural disaster.
It's such an episode of such amazing music. We're here at Kilauea and Manhattan, the most active volcanoes in the USA and alive. When enough magma builds up in the magma chamber and forces its way up to the surface and erupts. When it reaches the surface, we call it lava.
Can I ask a question?
Yes. How do we survive it and what do we need? Get your family and make a quick plan to escape, and then leave. But make sure you have a supply kit, similar to the earthquake back when this time, breathing in a mask to avoid breathing in the ash. If you live near a volcano, be informed the history of it. 1. Close the windows, doors, and fireplaces or with soap dampers. 2. Turn off all fans, heating, air conditioning systems. Do not try to blow the smoke away. You will put more ash into the atmosphere. 3. Listen for emergency alerts and do what they say.
Scientists estimate that 1 in 10 people live near a volcano. While it is dangerous to live close to a volcano, the surrounding slopes provide rich, fertile soil, which is a good area to farm. Avoid the lava. It can reach temperatures of over 1,200 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than your oven at home.
If you sear your pants nicely, then they may give you some cocoa mentos, so you can make your own homemade volcano.
Well, I guess that's one way to blow off steam.
For our last natural disaster, let's see some wildfires. Welcome to the wildfire loop. Wildfire starts small and then get bigger and bigger because of the heavy winds and dry places. Did you know that 4 out of every 5 wildfires are caused by people?
Wildfires move at a rate of 14 miles per hour.
Which is 23.5 kilometers an hour.
This is as fast as another can run, but you will get tired before the fire. Wildfires happen everywhere in the United States. Each year in the United States, fires kill more Americans than all natural disasters combined.
South Australia, they have the worst fires.
And firefighters have a big straw of water. There are lots of fires very about 2,000 people have been.
Ever heard of Clean Monday? By not eating meat once a week, we can reduce carbon emissions and lower our environmental impact and help lessen how dangerous natural disasters are.
So let's all do our part of the planet. We can make a difference. Thank you for being such a great audience today and great job.
well done to Year 5 Titan. I loved the fact that you shared such a lot of wonderful learning with us. And you spoke clearly, you shared some great facts, you had some great props, and actions as well. I can tell you really thought about how to deliver your lines in your assembly. I think you need another round of applause. Fantastic. Okay. Next up, we have Times Table Rock Stars. And we had our top scorers per class. The person who the previous week scored the top in the class versus everyone else. And I remember I was saying that it's an average. And so the top scorers scored on average 3,356, and the rest of the school scored 31. And that's because some of you didn't place and you brought the average down. Okay? Put your hand up if you played Times Table Rock Stars last week. Well done to you. You contributed to the score. Fantastic. Okay, so let's have a look at some special mentions, Kevin. So the fastest studio speed in the school was Mark. Where is Mark? Where is he? Oh, there he is. There he is over there. Put your hand up, Mark. He's gone all bashful. Okay, don't grab his arm. It's all right. And top of the school was Minor. Where is Minor? Oh yes, he's at the front. He's excited. Just over here. Do it again. Mila, he's over here. Okay, and the highest scoring challengers from the rest of the school were Adam, he's not here right now. Mana, there she is, well done Mana. And Rewan, where's Rewan? Rewan? Where is he? I can't even he's there. You didn't put your hand up, I couldn't see you. And Zita, where is Zita? She's not here today. And Sam and you, is Sam? Oh, there he is. He just said, do it again because Mila can't see you. Okay, well done. And the most improved accuracy was Sharon. Is Sharon here? Nope, he's not here. Joy. There he is, well done, Joy. Can you see Joy in the middle? Anya, there she is over there, Mila. Can you do it again, Anya? That's it. Swaraj, there he is as well. Well done to you, Swaraj. Brilliant. And Arthur in Eagles, he's over there as well. They're all together over there. In fact, that is some lovely scores from Year 2. Fantastic. So congratulations to everybody who played. And next week, keep on rocking. Thank you very much. Okay. Oh, it's turned up. Okay, can I have our Eco Warriors down to the stage? That means you hop back up. Thank you. I only seem to have one plant though. Which key stage did this one come from? Come on down. Is that it? Okay. All right then, are we ready? Lyra's ready. Nathan's ready. Lily's ready. Okay. And the other houses, we cheer our own house and we encourage our friends. We go, no, thank you. Moritz? Okay, one more time. Well done. Okay, on to you.
This week's Air House points are 166. This week's Firehouse points are 155. This week's Waterhouse points are 102. This week's Earn House points are
3-1. So, well done to Earth House, but there are some really high scores there from Earth and Water. So next week, remember, you need to work hard and Earth House. Okay, so next week we have the fastest changing competition. Now, everyone from year 1 until year 9 will take part, and there will be timed getting changed for your swimming lesson. So that means putting on your swimsuit, going in the shower, putting on your swim cap, and being in the swimming area. It also means leaving the changing room looking like this picture just here. So we have to leave the changing room like this with our belongings neatly folded and put on the side. Why? Why is that important? Stand there.
Keep the changing room clean.
We do. It looks much nicer, you're right, it does. But there's another reason that's very personal to you.
If they play together, you could take someone else's room.
That's right. If you keep all of your things together, then you will not lose your clothes. But sometimes if they get muddled up with your friends, if you leave them in an untidy pile. Dorka, why else do you think?
That maybe you will get it really mixed up, and then you don't know where is your clothes,
Yeah.
who has your clothes.
Right. You could not be able to find your clothes at the end. Emma.
Also because maybe another class will be coming into the changing room. Because sometimes in PE
That would be true, but it wouldn't be at the same time as you. What happens if your clothes get knocked onto the floor after swimming? What happens to your clothes then, Martin? They could get wet. We don't want wet clothes. That's not very comfortable afterwards, is it? So, Kyan. So, we keep our clothes nice and tidy, just like this, okay? Now, you will be timed, and there will be winners announced for each category of ages, okay? There will be an individual award of house points for the top changing children in each key stage, and the top changing class will get 2 house points each as well. So, there's plenty, Minso, there's plenty of house points to be earned this next week by getting changed nice and quickly after swimming, before swimming. Okay, and there will be an award ceremony in the next primary assembly after competition. Wonderful. Okay, there you go, that's the rules. Towel in your hand, hair must be tied, cat pots and front socks, swimsuit must be worn, and a shower and be in the pool area. That's when the time stops. Okay, last year, there was, where's Andras and Eton? Yeah, you were. Yeah, Eton's there. 40 seconds last year. So that is amazing. We're talking, the teachers were saying that most, I don't think we can change as quickly as you two. That was incredible. So really, really good. But even some of our year ones last year, where's Spencer? You were super duper. You did it in 1 minute 23 seconds when you were only in year one. So fantastic. Year one, do you think you could beat Benson's score? Yeah? You think you could? So Benson set the year one record at 1 minute 23 seconds. And these year ones think they're contenders to beat you, Benson. Do you think they can do it? Yeah! Okay, see you next week. Alright. Mila, can you hop down here for the narrative? I want you to listen for your name. If you hear your name, you stand up. So we can see it. Okay. First of all, can I have Martin in year 5 Apollo? Martin is up here, Mila. For improving his attitude towards his work and showing so much more focus. Fantastic. Very well done to you. And also in Apollo, where is Varnica? Varnica in the middle there. You are in the Golden Book for supporting others in class when they need a bit of help. What a wonderful team spirit. In Gemini class, can Yanis stand up, please? Yanis is at the back over here, Ela. For writing an excellent build-up in his natural disaster story. Fantastic. Build it suspense then, maybe, I think. In Gemini, oh, okay. We'll read them out again at the end, because he's back in time. Alright, in Gemini, Marco. Marco is up here. For your adventurous vocabulary in your disaster story. Fantastic. Using new words. In year 3 Colodco, we've got Esther. She's not here today, but she has some excellent letter writing ideas. In Colodco as well, we have Boris. Where's Boris? Here he is. Hello, Boris. Boris, you're in the Golden Book for continuing your handwriting. Fantastic. Love neat handwriting. In year 3 Colodco, can we have Emily, please? Emily, you are in the Golden Book for having a persistent attitude even when maths is hard this week. Do we know what persistent means? What does persistent mean?
It means that you keep going until it's very hard.
Very good. It means you keep going and you don't give up. Utter and Felix. Keep going and don't give up. That's what persistent means. Okay, in Phoenix class, can I have David stand up, please? Where is he? Oh, there he is, over here. David, for your brilliant tidying skills, thank you for being so helpful. Miss Miller told me about your tidying skills, actually. I love a tidy classroom. Very well done. In year 2 Eagles, can everyone stand up, please? Okay, everyone in year 2 Eagles did such a great job yesterday for being so patient while you were in the tent waiting to be picked up. Very well done to all of you in Eagles. Well done. Sit down for a minute. I'm watching you and I will talk to you after this. assemblies, so I don't like what I just saw, okay? In Year 1 Falcons, can Bella stand up, please? Bella, you are in the Golden Book for your creativity to write brilliant sentences using words which start with the same initial sound. Fantastic, very well done. I wonder if anyone in Key Stage 2 can tell me when you've got words that start with the same sound, what's that called?
Alliteration.
Well done, Bruno. Fantastic. It is called alliteration. So Bella's been using alliteration. In Year 1 Falcons, where is Aaron? You are in the Golden Book. We're trying really hard and you're writing. Fantastic. Isabel told me about how hard you can try. Wow, fantastic. Very well done. In Year 1 Falcons, can I have Andre? Andre, you are in the Golden Book for being very dedicated and passionate about helping animals. That's lovely. Fantastic. We love caring children. And in Year 4 Bourgeois, can we have Sashwin stand up, please? Sashwin, you are in the Golden Book for making extra maths working on resources at home. That's wonderful. Thank you so much for that. And is Echen back? Echen, stand up. You are in the Golden Book because you've been putting your hands up and contributing so much in lessons. Fantastic. Very well done to you. Let's give all of our golden children this. You love that you can hop back up. Now we have okay, this time you come back down to the stage. So in Year 1 Falcons, are we ready? Yeah. In Year 1 Falcons, can I have Daniel? Come on, Daniel. Come down here. That's it. You squeeze past. Okay, lovely. Daniel, you are Star of the Week because of your enthusiasm and passion for sharing your ideas and learning. You are new to our school, but you are a wonderful influence and a great addition to Falcons. Great stuff, Danny. Well done. So what we need to do now is you to stand in here. Fantastic. Very well done. Okay, in Year 2 Eagles, can I please have Issei? Issei, you are Star of the Week. I'm so proud of how calmly and maturely you handled an unexpected situation at school yesterday. You showed great patience and resilience. You've also been working so hard to be independent, solving maths problems on your own and using your phonics knowledge to write sentences. On top of that, you are such a kind and patient friend to your classmates. Keep up the amazing work. Fantastic. I can hear some voices and I really don't want to while we're doing Star of the Week. I will not be happy if I see someone talking. Okay? Okay, in Year 2 Venus, can I have Butika, please? Butika, come down. Butika, you are always a superstar in the classroom. You are polite, you are kind, and you have a great attitude towards your learning. You're more confident in sharing in class now, which is great. You keep it up. In Year 3, Darling, can I have Lena, please? Come on down, Lena. You are super focused in class. You make a great effort to put your hand up to take part in learning conversations. You're a fantastic friend to others. You remain calm and helpful at the time. Very well done to you. In Year 3 Kolodko, can I have Kevin? Kevin, you are always challenging yourself to take the extra steps to further your learning, supporting those around you, and always making us laugh in Kolodko. In Year 4 Bourgeois, can I have Liliana? Liliana, you are Star of the Week for dealing with a challenging week with maturity, self-awareness, and sensible choices to help you focus on your learning. In Year 4 Carlo, can I have Frida? Frida, you always listen well and try your best. This week you have also shown great resilience and determination when tackling some tricky long division. Well done. In Year 5 Apollo, can I have Eche, please? Eche, you are Star of the Week for your fantastic effort that you've been putting into your school and homework, even having a go at the more difficult questions to challenge yourself. Keep up this amazing attitude. In Year 5 Gemini, can I have Baraka? Baraka, you have impressed me this week. You've been focused and controlled in your learning, and the work you have produced has been brilliant. You have been an excellent role model to your classmates, and I really proud. In Year 5 Titan, can I have Minna?
I literally prayed for this.
She literally prayed for it, and her prayers were answered. Minha, you are Star of the Week for the interesting and varied ways that you are building tension in your natural disaster story. You are eager to help your peers regardless of the task, and your energy and eagerness to complete tasks to the best of your ability is a great example for your peers. Very well done. Good week. In Year 6 Europa, can I have Alexia? Alexios, you are Star of the Week for striving to improve your handwriting with more consistent cursive joining. You are also experimenting with adventurous vocabulary and sentence openers, and for completing activities within the time given. Fantastic. Well done. In Year 6 Prometheus, the star is Year 6 Prometheus. So, Carmen, you're going to come down and accept on behalf of the class. Prometheans, you are stars this week for your mature and flexible conduct in yesterday's evacuation of the school. Your behaviour was impeccable. Very well done. The Hungarian Star of the Week is also an answer to a prayer. It is Minha. So, Minha, you are also the Hungarian Star of the Week. You've been having a fantastic week for creating and using ambitious sentences and always challenging yourself. Oh no, I always get this wrong. Ugish what? Yeah, what they said. Okay, the PE Star of the Week is this week from Year 6 Prometheus. It's Spencer. Spencer, you are Star of the Week for consistent application and performance in your PE lesson. Fantastic. You stood out from the whole of primary. Fantastic. Very well done to you in PE. And the music Star of the Week this week is someone from Year 6 Prometheus. It's Spencer. What a good week. Come back, come back. You've had such a good week that your PE and music teachers spotted you above everyone in primary. So, Spencer, you did a great job this week working on your keyboard skills and helping your partner. You used your independent learning skills to check off your practice checklist and make sure others also get help. Fantastic work! Well done! The EAL Star of the Week is someone from Year 6 Europa. It's Luke. Luke, you have earned this award because you are always focused and you participate in every class activity. You put 100% effort into all of your work. You keep up this good work too. Fantastic. And the Drama Star of the Week is someone from Year 1. It's Bella. Come on down, Bella. You are in drama class this week. Bella showed wonderful storytelling skills as we remembered and sequenced our story. She's also good at getting into character during role play. Fantastic work, Bella. Well done. Let's give all of our stars a big Okay, next week is Maths Week. That means you will be doing some really fun, exciting maths activities, but next week in assembly, you should come wearing something maths related. It could be a maths hat, it could be a t-shirt, it could be you're just sticking numbers to yourself or equations or, I don't know, be creative. There's some ideas in the newsletter for things that you could do to wear to assembly on Friday. Okay. Also next week we have a writing assessment where you can show off what you can do to your teachers, which is fantastic. We have an open day, so we will have Year 6 being tour guides and being amazing as they always are. And we also, the week after that, we have Safer Internet Week. Also, we'll have another Budapest Like Mafia sandwich collection, not next week, but the week after. Miss Hobson is arranging a house quiz for the final week of term, and we have Farshan on the final day before half term, which is always very exciting, and I'm always in awe of some of your costumes. Absolutely amazing. So we all come up dressed up. Alright, just a couple of notices. The first one is just make sure, Bruno, just make sure if you have a problem, doesn't matter what it is, you must say something. If you're having a problem in class, you're finding something tricky, say something. If you're having a problem with your homework and you need a bit of help to organise yourself, you're not quite sure what to do, you're finding it tricky, say something. If you're having problems on the playground with friends, say something. It's really important because there are so many people who could and would help you. Can you remember who are the best people that you can tell who are going to help you? Ella?
Your friends.
Your friends may help you. Friends may have some really good advice. Well done.
Your teachers.
Your teachers. All of the teachers, they like you very much. They will definitely help you. Gabby.
Anybody who you know, like a teacher,
Grown-up. Any grown-up in the school will help you. Who else will help you? Emma. School nurse, that's right. Nurse Lily will help you.
First responders.
The first responders will help you if you have an ouchie on the playground, definitely. Do one.
Parents.
Your parents, that's right. Okay, any grown-up in your life is going to help you, Vika. Elise? No, thank you. Any grown-up is going to help you, okay? So make sure you tell anyone about your problems. They will get solved a lot more quickly. My last notice is about your ECA. We have golden rules in the classrooms and the playground about how to behave. And I'll tell you guys do a fantastic job of behaving beautifully almost all of the time in class and on the playground. We are kind, we are gentle, we listen to our teachers and to each other, we are respectful, we take care of our belongings and the belongings of others. These are our golden rules and we follow them beautifully. But those same rules apply in our ECAs as well. The rules do not change after school. So follow those golden rules. After school, on the buses, we are kind, we are gentle, we listen. Can you remember that?
Yes.
Good, thank you very much. In that case, all that is left to be said